Hello, in this tutorial I will be talking about Michaelis-Menton rate equation. The Michaelis-Menton rate equation is given by V0 equal to Vmax of S, divided by Km plus S, where V0 is the initial velocity, Vmax is the maximum attainable velocity of an enzyme, S, substrate concentration, and Km is the Michaelis-Menton constant. Let us understand velocity of enzymes based on variation in substrate concentration. Let us see what happens with low substrate concentration. When the concentration of substrate is very low, at initial stages, the Michaelis-Menton rate equation, V0 equal to Vmax of S divided by Km plus S can be written as V0 equal to Vmax multiplied by S divided by Km, since S very much less than Km and S is neglected. Since Vmax and Km are constants for a given enzyme, the equation can be written as V0 proportional to S, which is a first-order reaction, and the portion of the graph will be linear at low concentration. This is illustrated in the graph. As the concentration of substrate increases, we can see an increase in velocity, but that increase is non-linear, where the enzyme kinetics is of mixed order. Now let us see the behavior at high S concentration. When we keep on increasing the substrate concentration, the portion of the graph remains constant, or there is no further enhancement in the reaction velocity. When the concentration of substrate is very high at later stages, the Michaelis-Menton rate equation, V0 equal to Vmax of S divided by Km plus S, can be written as V0 equal to Vmax S divided by S. Since S is very much greater than Km in this case, Km is neglected. Here the equation can be written as V0 equal to Vmax, which is a zero-order reaction, where the velocity is independent of the concentration of the substrate. Let us conclude the above behavior now. An enzyme has got a finite, or definite number of reaction sites, where the substrate bind and undergo transformation, so that they are converted to products. When once all these reaction sites are occupied by substrate molecules, at high S, no further enhancement of reaction velocity will occur, even if we increase the concentration of substrate, since no reaction sites are vacant. The velocity exhibited by the enzyme at this stage is called maximum attainable velocity, or Vmaximum. The question asked was the substrate saturation profile of an enzyme that follows Michaelis-Menton kinetics is depicted in the figure. What is the order of the reaction in the concentration range between 0.8 to 1.4 m? In the question given above, we can see that at a concentration of 0.8 to 1.4 m, the graph has started to plateau, or there is no enhancement in reaction velocity, with increase in S, and hence it follows a zero-order reaction. Thank you. If you have any queries, please send a mail to biochem@therategatescholar.in.